Hello YouTube, Geezer and Molly here. I don't know if you can hear that rumbling in the background, but I got something to show you. Pretty pleased with this. Oh man, I'll tell you what, it's hot out here today. You may notice I don't even have my hat on. Soaking through my shirt. It's horrible. But I still got a smile on my face. Check this out. That's right. Generator's running. You bet. I found a really good small engine repair guy, and he diagnosed the problem. He fixed it, and she's running like a champ. She's been running right now for about 2 hours, running the air conditioner, TV. Molly's inside. She's just kicked back, relaxed, enjoying it all. I think we should go inside and mess up her world. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. I got something in there to show you anyhow. You may remember that here in Classy there was the two captain's chairs. Now, I never liked those little chairs. I never did find them comfortable. So a couple days ago, my son helped me out, and we took those two nasty chairs out of this thing and put a nice used recliner in here. Now, that's right, a recliner. And I couldn't be more delighted, I'm telling you. It's set up just right to watch TV. It's right under the air conditioner. And it's just really comfortable. It's kind of an old beater, but that's what makes it comfortable. Not all bad, huh? Yeah, I don't think so. Molly likes it. I like it. That's all that counts. Well, while I'm all nice and cool and comfy, let's talk about the trip. Right now, I'm planning on going. It would be July 8th, I believe. I think that's a Thursday or a Friday. And we'll head off on the Iowa Loop, see how that goes. And then, just like before, we'll make a decision when we get back to the Dubuque area of whether to continue or just give it up, because I don't know what all's going to be open, what's going to be closed, what's going to be a hassle. It sounds like some places are starting to close up again over this ridiculous virus thing. So, I don't know. We'll just have to play it by ear. One major change that I've pretty much decided on is a little change of course. Once we go through Iowa, my original plan was to go through Wisconsin up to Door County and then on up to Lake Superior. But I really wanted to do all the lake frontage in Michigan. So I haven't been with the camper up through Wisconsin, but I've been all over Wisconsin. So I think we'd all enjoy the trip better if, when I get back to Dubuque, we just go across Illinois and loop around the southern tip of Lake Michigan and go up the west coast of Michigan up to Lake Superior all along the shoreline, and then double back and come down past Lake Huron and I guess it'd be Lake Erie, and then head east over to the Niagara Falls area and pick up Lake Ontario, and then just come back straight across like we was going to do before. The only major change is just not going up through the middle of Wisconsin. Instead, we'll go down both the east and west borders of Michigan. I think it's going to be a great trip. I hope we can do it. That we won't get tied up with everything being closed, and you know, where it just wouldn't be worth going anymore. Anyhow, that's about all I got. I got some more modifications I'm going to do to Classy here, hopefully before we take off, and when I do, I'll bring those to you. Where you going, fool? You gonna lay down there? You gonna curl up on Dad's lap? What are you gonna do? Right there looks good to you? Does that work for you? A little underbite. Alright. Until next time, from Molly and me and all the rest of the Geezer gangsters, happy trails. Be safe.